Hello everyone. Today we are going to read a poem, A Thunderstorm. The wind began to rock the grass with threatening tunes and low. He flung a menace to the earth, a menace at the sky. The leaves unhooked themselves from trees and started all abroad. The dust did scoop itself like hands and throw away the road. The wagons quickened on the streets, the thunder hurried slow, the lightning showed a yellow beak and then a vivid claw. The birds put up the bars to nest, the cattle fled to barns. There came one drop of giant rain, and then, as if the hands that held the dams had parted hold, the waters wrecked the sky, but overlooked my father's house, just quartering a tree. So this was the reading of the poem The Thunderstorm. If you have any doubt or query, you can ask me in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to check the links to the different chapters. Thank you everyone.